What's up everyone, Kevin right here from Bitcoin for Beginners, and today I want to chat about a topic that's been on a lot of our minds lately, and that is Bitcoin, or crypto in general, one big bubble? So before I get any further, I just want to say that if you enjoy my video and my analysis, I would greatly appreciate a like and a subscription so that you can catch me on my next videos. So just diving in, we have to first define what is a bubble. According to Investopedia, a bubble is an economic cycle characterized by rapid escalation of asset prices followed by a contraction. So during a bubble, there's really a lot of irrational market behavior that is unwarranted by any fundamentals of the assets. But the problem is when no one else is willing to buy anymore, a sell-off occurs and the price drops rapidly for that given asset. So in our case, we're talking about Bitcoin or crypto in general, and both have seen a massive increase in the past couple of years. In terms of Google search trends, more and more people have been searching about Bitcoin than ever before. Crypto exchanges like Coinbase have had record number of signups in the millions per month. And just taking a look at the price, in January of 2017, Bitcoin was around $1,000. Now it's at $15,000, a ridiculous increase not even seen by blue chip stocks like Amazon during this time period. So a lot of people have been saying this is reminiscent of famous bubbles in the past, like the Dutch tulip mania, when they were speculating on the prices of tulips, and also the dot-com bubble of fame, when the Nasdaq stock exchange dropped so much in such a short amount of time. So if you don't know about these famous historical bubbles yet, it's probably a good idea for you to go Google and read some more about them to get an idea for what history has shown, and so you can better understand the future. And so there are a lot of reasons for concern when it comes to Bitcoin or crypto. First, some personal anecdotes. I've heard of multiple people take out loans to buy cryptocurrency, and for some of them, that's been a good bet actually, and they've made a lot of money and been able to pay off their loans. However, that is such a risky behavior, and I can't stress how that is really just irrational market behavior going on. Also, I've known multiple people throw around money on ICO speculation without even looking into what the ICO is about. It's just like, oh, this is a cool new industry they're in. I'm going to throw $10,000 at it, and so on. Also, many old school investors have given warnings about this bubble, like Warren Buffett, Bogle of Vanguard Mutual Fund fame, Jamie Dimon of JP Morgan, Mark Cuban, and many, many more. And so these are really successful investors of the past. So if they say something, then we should probably take a closer look at their reasonings. Also, crypto still has a lot of work to be done in terms of the technical limitations. So the price has gotten pretty ahead of itself in terms of actual usefulness. Also, market manipulation is rampant in this industry because it's so unregulated right now. So for example, on Wall Street, there are many methods like wash trading that are banned that people can do all day, every day in crypto. Also, with incoming government regulation like China's recent ban affected Bitcoin and crypto big time, there may be more coming in the horizon, so who knows how that's going to affect Bitcoin. Also, there are a lot of scams abundant in this field, so that really needs to get cleaned up. And finally, some talks about exchange insolvency, like Bitfinex and Tether, for example. So definitely something else to take a look at. But also, so what if Bitcoin and crypto is a bubble? First of all, Bitcoin has been pronounced dead countless times and has recovered every single time. Also, this bubble activity has encouraged a flood of capital for innovation in this field, many startups trying to solve important problems in the world. Also, with the increased media attention, I believe that this really helps with long-term adoption in terms of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. There's also reason for optimism though. First of all, it fits a need. Countries like Venezuela and Zimbabwe that sees their currency experience hyperinflation, where a common everyday item will cost millions of dollars in their currency, have turned to Bitcoin with built-in scarcity and also deflationary method, per se, that is a better way to store their wealth. Also, there's a lot of enterprise interest in cryptocurrency. For example, the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance is a big one. A lot of companies are teaming up with the Ethereum dev team to kind of take a look at the technology and see how it can help them in their own businesses. Furthermore, there's increasing institutional interest like Wall Street opening up futures trading on Bitcoin and potentially an ETF in the future as well. Also, many industries and processes have already been disrupted. For example, IPOs have turned into ICOs, and this disruptive method is here to stay, even if investment becomes more rational in the future. Finally, many people said that the internet was a fad in the late 1980s when it was just taking off, and now look how pervasive it is in our society and our daily lives. So if a collapse happened, what would it look like exactly? Well, first of all, there'd be a negligible effect on the world economy, most likely, because Bitcoin and crypto's market cap is so small in comparison. There's a really interesting graphic that you can search on Google where they put the world's money into perspective, and crypto and Bitcoin are smaller than the net worths of like many tech billionaires like Bill Gates or Larry Page, for example, and definitely less than large companies such as Apple Computers. But if a collapse happened, dumb money, quote unquote, would definitely flow out of the ecosystem. This is money where they haven't actually looked into the tech and don't believe in crypto or Bitcoin as strongly as other people do. They would probably panic and sell off their assets quickly. Also, there'd be a lot less crypto millionaires, that's for sure. And finally, just a quick case study of the past. After the stock markets crashed in the dot-com bubble, they stayed down for a while, but it bounced back stronger than ever, and now is at another all-time high. So you might be wondering how to protect yourself in an event of a bubble pop. First of all, diversify your assets in both crypto terms and non-crypto terms. Don't buy only one type of cryptocurrency, and also probably don't put all of your money into cryptocurrency. You can look to cost average. That's a investment technique. You can Google it for more information if you want to protect yourself in case you don't know if the pop is coming any day now. Also, you might want to look into locking in some profits periodically rather than just holding indefinitely. These next two are really important. Always don't invest more than you can afford to lose. And also do not over leverage yourself, please, by taking out loans, selling stuff, getting another mortgage to buy Bitcoin. Be smart with your investments and try to understand what you're investing in. This will give you more long-term confidence in what exactly you are buying. So I hope that was helpful. Do you have any questions or thoughts? I would love to hear from you in the comments below. Once again, please give me a like and subscribe. Press the notification bell to see more videos coming very soon. And I hope Bitcoin still continues to go to the moon. I'll see you all on the next one. Peace out.